We face truly seismic challenges in business today, challenges that are going to define the next decade of business and leaders. And in order to take on these challenges and unlock the tremendous opportunities that do lie within them, we need a fundamental shift in the way we think and act as leaders, a visionary shift towards transformational leadership. I'm Paul Spires, I'm founder of the New P&L Institute, and I'm host of the New P&L Principles and Leadership in Business podcast, a top 5% global podcast. And I invite you to join me on the 31st of January for a special MD to MD webinar where I'll be delivering a workshop on how to move from transactional to transformational leadership. The workshop is based on our own proprietary mantra principle leadership methodology, as well as the cumulative insights and intelligence of over 200 global leaders and entrepreneurs that we've spoken to on the New P&L podcast over the last 4 years. In the course of this workshop, we'll be understanding why transformational leadership is the foundation for the future of business, the 4 principles that define transformational leadership, how leaders can build an ecosystem around them to support their move towards transformational leadership, the difference between a one-dimensional legend and a powerful legacy. And then we're going to end with an exercise, the power of 8, how you can start building the blocks to move your business and your leadership towards a transformational legacy. You can sign up using the link below, and I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks so much.